And for the record,
Paano natin pag-uusapan yung ibang...
and for the record, Mr. President, I still have the floor. And for the record, Mr. President, we voted against resolution number 44. So to say that we have this resolution, yes, but there are senators who voted against it, and therefore it is not necessarily our agreement with the points being raised by the good senator from Camarines Norte. For the
Meron lang po akong mga konting katanungan sa inyo. Sapagkat gusto ko po sanang ireklamo si Senator Pangilinan sa pagsigaw.
Dapat
Meron
lang.
po ba sa rules natin na sinasabing pwede mong sigawan ng kapwa mo senador?
Mr. President,
Narinig ko yung malakas na boses